Total novice on AI video, start with Dix. What is AI video? Intermediate, start with Dix. Open your Play Store and search for ChatGPT, just like this. Now you are going to install it for your own case. For mine, I've already installed it before now, but I don't want to update it, you understand? So once you are done with that, come to your app gallery and open the ChatGPT like this. All right, once you tap on the app from your app gallery, it's going to bring you to this interface. For your own, at this point, it's going to be showing sign up, you understand, or login. So you have to tap on it and then navigate to the sign up button. You don't need to do anything much there. Just use your Google account, which is your Gmail account, to sign in. So once you are done with that, it's going to bring you to this particular interface, you understand? So to begin, the first prompt you will insert is kindly copy this my own prompt, because I have to rush this video. So you just copy this prompt. You are going to start from here. Write a short story. This is the prompt you are going to insert. Write a short story of determined guy. Not less than 10 to 15 seconds. So for your own, you might decide to write any story, you understand, but for the sake of the tutorial, we are making use of 10 to 15 seconds of a determined guy. So what this is giving to you now is that the ChatGPT is going to give it a title. You are not the one giving it a title. Do you understand? So once you are done with this, kindly hit on send. This is the laughed at him when he started with nothing. Every day he kept showing up, you understand? Something of this nature. Do you understand now? So once ChatGPT give you your own write-up, like the script of the story, you understand? So you are going to insert this follow-up prompt. Now give me the image prompt of the story in scenes. So you will tap on send. Do you see it now? Here are 4 simple scenes that follow the story clearly with the same Nigeria character. You understand? This is the first scene, this is the second scene, and this is the 4th scene. Now, as an intermediate, you need to start from here. You understand? As an expert, you will just start copying. Just copy this. So to copy it, to make it fast, to make your work fast, just start from the scene 4. Copy scene 4. Copy scene 3. Just start from the last scene and copy to the first scene. So once you are done with that, open your Play Store again and search for Gemini AI. Now for your own case, you are going to install the app, you understand? But for mine, I've installed it before. And once you are done with your installation, tap on open. Now when you tap on open, it's going to bring you to this aspect. What you have to do on your own case is that you have to log in with your Gmail account, you understand? Once you log in with your Gmail account, it will bring you direct to this interface. For your own case, once you tap on open, it might not bring you to this interface. It will ask you to log in with your Gmail account. So you just do that and it will bring you to this interface. Now, be using this Gemini AI to generate all our images, because the WhatsApp video is all about turning an image to a video. I don't know whether you understand, turning an image to a video. Do you get it now? So I'm going to paste my first prompt, but before that you are going to insert this prompt, curate, so you put semicolon and send it. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be generating only one image or two to make the video short. Now, do you see it? This is absolutely amazing. But one thing about Gemini AI is that it has watermark logo. This particular logo you are looking at, Dix Point, you understand? So it's had that logo, which probably I may be showing you how to remove it. Now let me insert the second prompt. Now, to make your images consistent, first save this particular image by tapping on save at the down side. Now once you save it, you are going to tap on this plus button and tap on photo. Now you are going to tap on the image back. Once the image is done uploading in this format, you are going to insert your second scene prompt. I don't know whether you understand what I'm talking about. So you just hit on send. You see it? So the image and the laptop, everything remains consistent, just the environment changed. And this is how you can generate your images. Having said this, let's proceed to the curation aspect, which is the video generation. But before that, to show you how to download it, in case if you miss up in the other one, just tap on the image, scroll down, you are going to see this save button. If you are finding that difficult, just click on the image for long. You are going to see save right up. So you just tap on it, and with this two-way, if that is still difficult for you to do, at the drop down of the image, you are going to see something like this up. You will tap on this. If you tap on it, is to copy the link. You will now tap on this 3-dot line here. So you are going to see save image. So with these 3 ways, you can save the image. Having said this, now the next thing you have to do is to open your Play Store and search for WhatsApp. You can still make use of your WhatsApp business to generate this video if you pay attention to this, but I prefer WhatsApp because WhatsApp is more convenient and very fast compared to the WhatsApp business. Do you understand now? So you just hit on search. Now for your own case, for you to find this feature on your WhatsApp, you have to do what? Update your WhatsApp. If you already have WhatsApp on your device, just come to Play Store and update it. I don't know whether you understand. Just come to Play Store and update the WhatsApp. Once you are done with that, tap on open. Now when it open like this, you are going to see at your right hand side, you are going to see an icon looking like purple and other color, you understand, that looks circle in format. So when you see it, you are going to tap on it. Now it's going to bring you to the chat interface, you understand. So what you have to do in this case is to convert those your images to video. And mind you, what this WhatsApp is doing is that it's not converting it to, let me say, to some other AI video websites that do convert it to video that will be talking. It helps you to animate. That is majorly what it does. It's more of animating to give the lifeless image life. I don't know whether you understand now. Not to make it to start talking or something of that nature. And you can animate as many images as you can in a day. There is no limit to it. That is one thing about it. So to proceed with that, you are going to see this icon here that looks like link or file. So when you tap on the icon, you are going to see gallery, camera, then you are going to see documents. So the first one we'll be using is gallery. So when you tap on it, it's going to bring you to your device where you are going to see those images you generated using Gemini AI. Now you are going to copy, like click on the first one. Do you understand now? So when you click on it, it depends on what you want the image to do. But in case if you are a novice and you don't know what to, like, the prompt to give the image, how the image to perform, now go back to your ChatGPT. When you open your ChatGPT like this, at that same interface, do you understand? Let me say you just open your ChatGPT and the interface disappeared. You don't know where to get it back. Just tap on this line here. You understand? So you just tap on it. Do you get it now? So when you tap on it, you are going to see your chat history. Do you understand? So what you have to do here is now this is the prompt you are going to insert. Give me the image, give me the video prompt that will be used to convert the image into video. As someone starting new, you don't need to have big prompts, just insert this. Now it's going to give you in scenes, you understand? So it's going to give you in scenes, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be copying the first scene, the second scene and the first one. Now once you copy it, you come back to your WhatsApp, you understand? Now what you will do is insert this particular prompt first. So you will insert using the uploaded image above, curate, then you will add what, semicolon. So you will now paste that first prompt of the video that ChatGPT give to you. But if you are a genius that you can actually write out the prompt on how you want it to demonstrate, you can insert your own. So you just tap on and click on this mark button. Automatically it's going to create the video, but note, before you click on the send button on WhatsApp, make sure you check it very well. Why? Because once you send, you can't edit. Let me say if I want to edit this, that I have some mistake on my image or something like the text, WhatsApp don't have the feature that other AI apps have, you understand? So WhatsApp don't have it. That is why you have to check your prompt accurately before you tap on send. So as you can see, this is the video. It has already animated it, and this WhatsApp can give you 5 seconds or 6 seconds. So do you see it now? Let me say you don't like what it gives you. What you have to do is to tap on the generated image, tap on this mark good to reply back. So you will just insert what you want it to adjust. Do you understand? So to download it, you will just tap on the video and you are going to see this download button at the top. So you will click on it and automatically it's going to download, and that is the only way you can download it. Now let's generate the second one. Bring in my image. Do you see the mistake I made there? So let me just delete it. I'll bring in my image. Now insert the second prompt. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to click on send, and automatically it's going to generate the video. It's more of animating it, not like generating direct videos. Now for some of you that you truly want an app that is going to generate videos for you, you understand? So just comment video after you watch this and you have practice, you understand? So comment video. I'm going to drop another site that you can use to turn the static image to video that is talking, you understand? Not just animation. So this is it. Let's just wait for it to load. Can you see? So this is it. It gives it live. So to download, you hit on this place and automatically it's going to download. The last thing I'll be walking you through as a novice that is just coming new into AI aspect is convert those scripts into voice. So to do that, you will open your ChatGPT. At that same interface of your chat, so you are going to copy this fake script it gave to you initially. So when you copy it, you are going to come to your Chrome browser. Now when you come to your Chrome browser, you are going to search for low voice like this. Now you will tap on it. You don't need to sign in or log in. So what you'll be using this site to do is to turn that into voiceover. So you just paste that your prompt. Do you understand now? So you hit on generate.
They laughed at him when he started with nothing. Even when nobody believed in him.
Do you see it now? So, but if you are a female or a male, you can just tap on this place and change it to guy. You understand? You can also change the country. Do you understand? I can keep it as Nigeria English. Then I will change it to a guy. So I will now hit on generate.
They laughed at him when he started with nothing. Every day, he kept showing up.
Do you see it now? So this is how you can generate your voiceover. So once you are done with this, the next thing is for you to do the editing. If you don't know how to do editing, just check any video on our channel that talks about how to edit on CapCut. So that is going to serve you well. Now, for those of you that you are not satisfied with this and you want to go into deeper format where you are going to be exposed to some sites that has more capability of performing this particular short masterpiece I just showed you now. So what you have to do is that I'm going to drop a link on this particular video. That link contains my Faceless YouTube Bootcamp, so you can get access to the course. The course is very cheap, you understand, and you can actually get access to it. And it will help you to start up your own YouTube channel. And I explained everything you need to know about creating faceless YouTube videos. If you love this, don't forget to subscribe and share this with others that are finding it difficult to start or to animate their images using WhatsApp.